Welcome to you on this channel Technology Engineer All. Today I am going to talk about MS tool in Kali Linux, which is used for collect the information about domain of any site. Then start now. First we have to install the MS tool. Then we have to type here command sudo apt install ms. Enter. Password. Password is given here. Then then this is automatically installed, you see here, and so no problem. And then it is clear that clear here. And then we have to command for tool ms, which is ms. Then enter. This is ms tool, you see here. This is ms tool. Okay, now how we use these. Then you see here uses, it is help. Now this way you read and show some sub commands like this. It is used by for the enumeration and ms enumeration, perform the enumeration and network mapping. So now first we type here command here ms h for help dash help, then enter. Then it is used for help right now. Okay, then and we check here we are enter manually or not. Then type the command man ms enter. So here you see here no manually entry for ms. Then no matter, and go on next. Here you see here ms intel. We copy this and we paste here dash h for help. Okay, now these are the way how we find the any domain of any website. It means to say that website have vertically or horizontally. It means to say that facebook.com is horizontally and Facebook subdomain is vertically. So we find this tool with the help of ms. Right now uses, we read here uses ms intel option who is -d domain address addr ans. You know about this ans because you are a user of ms, or you know about this okay. Then we go here and ms -d who is who is who is who is -d domain name facebook.com. Then enter. First we see here browser ASN of Facebook. Then this is Facebook ANS 32934. Then okay, we type here ms intel minus ASN 32934. This command is used for gathering the domain of this Facebook ASN, which is this. In this process, some time is taken, so please wait and now see. It is depend upon your internet connection, so please wait. Now you see here, slowly come this fbsv.net is coming on our screen. You see here. Now in this way, subdomain and domain are collected by this Amass tool in Kali Linux. So please wait and watch this. In this way, you use this Amass tool in Kali Linux for gathering the domain of any website of ANS. If you not know about this ASN, then you go on here, type this ASN of Google, enter. Right now Google has this ANS 15169. Then you type here again, you another go on, and this is running on that way. Then you this collect the domain or subdomain of any website like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, any. It is used for big website. So keep watching on Technology Engineer All. Thank you.